Getting paid is a forte each and every day.
Hi, I'm Cassidy Goodall, and welcome to this beautiful lakefront home at 10 Twin Rose Court in Sylvan Lake.
East side to the west side, pushing fat rides, it's no surprise. She got tricks in the stash, stacking up the cash. When it comes to the gas, by no means average, it's on when she's got the hat there. Baby, you're a perfect 10. I want to get in. Can I get down so I like the way you work it. No diggity. I got to bag it up, yeah.
This stunning fireplace is one of my favorite features and definitely makes a statement.
Yeah, I like the way you work it. No diggity. I got to bag it up, yeah. I like the way you work